Hello everyone, this is the second video of our series where we are solving the questions on Microsoft which are asked in Microsoft interviews and online assessment. Okay, so this is a easy level question which is asked. So let's see. Sort zeros, ones and twos. Given an array containing only zeros, ones and twos, sort the array in ascending order. So we are given this array 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2 and we have to sort in this. Okay, so what will be the first approach? We will directly use the sorting method. But see, this is the easy question, yes. But the thing is here we are not asked to directly sort. Okay, but may that I mean it's a question where they are saying key there are zeros, ones and twos. So that means we have to think in that way. Directly we can use any sorting method. That is okay, no issue. But here there are only ones, twos, zeros, ones and twos in an array. Okay. So today I'll be telling one approach. Okay, there can be many approach to solve this question, but I am going to tell one approach today, that is using the counting method. You can instead of counting there is a different method called you can, like, you don't need an extra space, you will just replace, or you can say swap the numbers. Okay, so let's see. What we will do is, can I count number of zeros, number of ones and number of twos? Yes, right. So if I get number of zeros, I will add those many at in the beginning of this array. If I get number of ones, then after adding these zeros, I will, let's say I got here 2 0, 2 1 and 2 twos. So initially I have added 2 zeros, then I'll add 2 1 and then I'll add 2 2. It's simple. So here in this question you got 4 0, 5 1s and 2 2s. So initially I'll replace with these numbers with 4 zeros, then 5 1s and 2 2. Let's do. Okay, let's solve this question. And count 1. Instead I'll say count 0 is equal to 0. In count 1 is equal to 0. In count 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so these are our three counts. So for int, let's say I'll say num. I'm using the for each loop. Okay, if my num equal to 0, I'll increase my count 0. Else, if my num equal to 1, then I'll increment count 1. Else, count 2. So in this way I'll get counts. Okay, now what we'll do is for int I is equal to 0, I less than error dot length I plus plus. Okay, we will trash the whole array, we will replace in the same array. Okay, so if my I is less than count 0. Okay, so let's say I have count 0 as 4. Okay, here it is 5, I guess. 5. Okay, so my 5, so my index is till 4, right? If I have to add 5 zeros, so until index 4 only. So I will replace error of I equal to 0. Now else, if my count, let's say now till 4, now we have 0. From the next, what I need to check is count 0 plus count 1. I should be less than count 0 plus count 1. Okay. That means count 0 is what? 5. So first 4 index are done. Count 1 is like 5. So till 10. Okay, till 10. So index 5, index 6, index 7, index 8, index 9. Till that we will do this error of I equal to 1. And else what? We have only one option is those two. Let's and we yeah we are doing in the same array. Anyway, we have to not return. We have to change in the same array. We'll check. Yeah, you can see we got this. And let's use another example. It's just a simple so this is a GFG platform. You can check, you can sort these questions. Okay. So here in tags, you can see these questions are asked in which I will show you. Let me first run this. Yeah. Okay. We are getting. Now here you can see company tags. So we can see Microsoft, Amazon, Walmart, and these many companies have asked this question. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. This is a this video I made to explain the this question using this count method. Okay, okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated.